Hi, everyone. This is Alan Fine. I'm here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina at the Kimpton Cardinal Hotel, and I'm with
Victoria Moyer, General Manager.
And
Liza Edgerton, Director of Sales and Marketing.
And this is Insider Travel Report. This is a beautiful hotel. Please tell us, what are your favorite features?
I would have to say one of my favorite features is the lobby itself. You walk in, we supposedly have 8 pounds of gold leaf in the lobby in the ceiling. And then the brass elevators were original to the building, 1929. So through there, just the history, the beauty of the building, it's incredible.
And the building is in what style? Because it's very much deco, right?
It is, it's Art Deco.
Well, we were built in 1929, prototype for the Empire State Building. Bowman Gray commissioned a New York architect-based company to build him the tallest building in Winston-Salem. They built our beautiful 20-floor high-rise, which indeed was the tallest in Winston-Salem at the time. And a few years later, there was a firm in New York who said, we like the look of that, and they built it. And hanging in our lobby is a 50-year anniversary card to Dad from the Empire State Building.
All right, we'll definitely show that.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's important to note that all of our furniture was sourced in North Carolina.
That's important to note.
Lots of artwork that ties back into North Carolina, into the state tree, the state bird, all of those touches that tie back to our North Carolina history and roots.
So lobby is one of your favorite things about the hotel. Tell us more favorite things.
I think mine is possibly the recreation room. They recommissioned the boiler room for the hotel, and you don't expect it. As Liza said, you walk into this beautiful lobby with all the gold leaf and brass, and it's very elegant. You go down a couple of flights of stairs and you're into our sub-basement, and there is the most tremendous recreation room that nobody expects there.
I'm looking forward to trying it out. But I mean, tell us more about the recreation room. It's not, most people think, this is not your, little bicycle and a treadmill and maybe some free weights.
Absolutely not. There is a slide, so you can take the stairs or the slide to go down. There's a half basketball court. There's 2 bowling lanes. There's about 9 televisions. It's a lot of fun.
So now as we walk around the building, in your mind, where do we go next?
I think up to the 20th floor.
So what's on the 20th floor?
20th floor is where the original boardroom was. There's a secret passageway there. It's very Mad Men-esque with dark green marble, very 1920s. There's a lot of wood paneling. It is like stepping back in time, and the views of the city are tremendous.
Okay. And how many can it accommodate?
In our boardroom, 20 people.
55 max. 55 max on the whole 20th floor.
What about equipment?
Sure. Those rooms are blank slates. So we're able to come in and design them any way that a group would like to see them. We have turned the room, we've done one room as dinner, the next room we've done as poker tables and cocktails. They've then gone out downstairs and out to smoke their cigars, come back in to finish off with a nightcap. So we can do a lot with that room. We've also done casino tables for another group, taking it back to a 1920s, roaring 20s speakeasy. So lots of options.
And then what about for presentations? What kind of equipment? I mean, do you have big screens that can be moved in and out, projectors?
We work with PSAV, so they're able to, if they don't have it here, they're able to source it out of Charlotte or Raleigh. So we're able to get anything that a group could possibly need.
Hello, my name is Christopher McRoy. I'm sales manager for the Kimpton Cardinal Hotel in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. The Herringbone Boardroom is our most formal space, very much a Masters of the Universe boardroom. Again, all of the artwork and furniture sourced here locally from North Carolina. The large artwork to the right, looking like cordwood, is actually composed of books of poetry from Maya Angelou, who was the poet in residence here at Wake Forest University in Winston-Salem. It harkens to cordwood, which was used to fire the original steam engines that fired the original woolen mills here in town. It can also reference money, from the banking industry, and as well as the educational resources that were put in from Salem College and Wake Forest University. The carpet here is R.J. Reynolds, the namesake of the building. He's in profile and in full face underneath the boardroom table. The architectural details, the wallpaper along the wall, again, safety deposit boxes referencing the banking history here in North Carolina. The table is composed of a single slab of granite 3 inches thick. It weighs just under 1,600 pounds.
And the room we're in now?
The room we're in now.
Tell us about this room.
Sure.
This is our largest suite. We call it our presidential suite. It obviously has the dining area, living area, and the most beautiful bedroom.
This is the presidential suite at the Cardinal Hotel. It's the equivalent of 4 standard guest rooms. The room is suitable to entertain for up to 8 people. Hospitality suites for up to 12 if you wanted to do something on a flow here. Actually has 2 full bathrooms, one of which is handicapped accessible. Decor themes here, the emerald colored tiles in the bathroom as well as the emerald wallpaper reflect emerald as the state stone of North Carolina. The blue tiles in the master bath actually reflect sapphires, and the largest domestic sapphire found in the United States was actually found here in North Carolina. Again, all the furnishings and art are sourced from North Carolina. The master bedroom features a California king bed. The master bathroom is our largest bathroom in the hotel, true double vanities, as well as a water closet and a spa shower and wet room. A Roman soaking tub large enough to seat 2 people as well.
So this is the biggest suite. How many suites do you have? How many rooms, how many suites?
We have 174 guest rooms. 13 of those are suites. One presidential, we have one presidential, 13 standards.
Yeah.
We also have 6 tall spas, which means they are the tall king beds, California king beds for basketball players. And the shower heads are located a little bit higher on the wall than your typical shower head. Yes, yes. So we have 6 of those, and then the rest would be our standard.
My father-in-law is 6'8", and when he comes to stay, that is where he goes. He loves it.
The next level would be our king suite, which is,
They're probably about 750 square feet. They have a living area. There's no dining area. There are pull-out sofas in them. They have the same soaking spas. The bathrooms, the bedrooms are a bit bigger, with lounge chairs in the corner, multiple televisions. Yeah.
And then the next down?
Would be a standard room, which it would be just the bedroom of the suite. So you would just lose the parlor area. Some of them do still have soaking tubs along with the showers. Some just have standard showers.
Yep.
And then from there, we'll head down to our community room, which it's kind of like being in your basement or your just a man cave. So big leather soft seating and televisions, poker table.
So this is open public space?
Public space, can also be used for private events. It sits just across from our fitness center, which I think is one of the best hotel fitness centers I've ever seen. We have rowing machines, we have a heavy bag, we have Peloton bikes. So anything you could possibly want.
So this is on top of the rec room?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're in for a treat.
The Catherine restaurant.
You can never have enough good craft quality cocktails. The Brussels sprouts are to die for. The macaroni cheese is amazing. The ambiance, the style of it. Catherine is the bar to be seen in town.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, and there's a lot of history in the Catherine as well. Okay. So it is named for R.J. Reynolds' wife, Catherine. It's a French brasserie, and they honeymooned in France and Paris. So it was a tie back to Catherine and kind of a way to honor her. She was very much into writing her own menus, as well as taking care and ensuring that the staff had hot meals when they worked for the Reynolds family.
We go out to a lot of travel agents. How should a travel agent sell this facility?
Well, I've lived in some pretty amazing spots all over the world, whether it be Dubai, New York, Naples, Florida, Vail, Colorado. And quite often I'm asked, how did I end up in Winston-Salem, North Carolina?
How did you end up in?
Really, I came for the hotel. I came for Kimpton. The brand is just wonderful. The hotel is beautiful. To be able to live and work in somewhere that has so much history, to be the prototype for the Empire State Building, to have Wake Forest here, to have so many internationally known brands as Krispy Kreme Donuts, as Hanes, as RAI that was owned by or now bought by British American Tobacco, and that Winston-Salem is the hub of all of that is tremendous.
Okay, so that's the story. So this is Alan Fine from the Kimpton Cardinal in Winston-Salem, and this has been Insider Travel Report.